I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. This is the Mophie 3-in-1 travel charger with MagSafe. We are in that time of year where travel is so much part of our lives. Whether it be a short distance or a long vacation, we are looking for solutions to take on the road to charge our devices. Well, this 3-in-1 travel charger charges your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods. Right off the bat, you'll notice it comes in this beautiful case. It is very, very slick and clean looking, will fit in your travel bag with ease. And inside this case is everything you need to travel. Right away when you open it up, you'll see inside there's 3 separate compartments. In this compartment over here, you have your power cable. In this compartment over here, you have your power brick. And here is where you have the actual charging piece. Featuring 30 watts of power from the brick that comes in the package, you get this thin looking travel accessory. And we'll just pop it open and you can see it's beautiful. Simple, elegant design makes it super easy to use. And when you're done with it, folds up, got the magnets, and it's ready to be put away into the case, and then that case right in your travel bag. Easy as pie. When you're ready to use it, it takes just one cable plugged into the wall, and just like that, all 3 things will be ready to charge. So let's start with our watch. You can just go ahead and sit it on there. We can take our AirPods, sit them on here, and our phone, and just sit it right on the MagSafe. And just like that, we're ready to go. We're charged up, we're ready to use this whole setup. Now, of course, you don't have to use all 3 at once. You can just use your phone, or if you want just to charge your AirPods and your watch, that's perfectly good also. You have plenty of options and plenty of flexibility. One of the cool things I really like about this setup is that if in fact you are using 2 devices like an iPhone and an Android phone, you can go ahead and take off the AirPods and you can go ahead and grab your Android device, and just like that it can be sitting on here to charge because it's got that cheap technology. So it's really, really convenient in that sense. So you have no problem taking multiple devices, Android and iPhone, and charging it using this one pad. So when you're traveling, you have tons of versatility. One thing to keep in mind when you are using this kind of a product is that you have to use the compatible products to go with it. That means if you're going to use the AirPods or AirPods Pro, you have to have the wireless charging case. If you're going to use the Google Pixel Buds, Samsung headphones, those will all have to have that same wireless technology so that it will charge. Even the phone, if it doesn't have the wireless charging, it is not going to charge on Android. Of course, with the Apple stuff, anything from iPhone 12 and newer will have MagSafe technology, so that just snaps right into place and it sits there clean. And of course, Apple Watch Series 3 and newer. So you gotta make sure you're not using the 1st or 2nd generation Apple Watch, but other than that, you're all set. And of course, when we're done and ready to go back home after our vacation, after our trip, we go ahead, we take everything off, we fold it up, we close out the power, and we just literally close it up like that, and then put it back into our case. We just take the charger, and we'll open it up, we'll stick it in, stick the power brick in, and stick your cable in, close it up, and you're all set and ready to go for your next adventure, as this stays in your travel bag, so you know you have it with you every time you travel. Again, just a beautiful design, a beautiful feel, and a beautiful look from Mophie. I will put a full description below and you can see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.